In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your saved passwords from Google Chrome as a CSV file. This is useful if you're moving to a different password manager, creating a backup for safekeeping, or simply reviewing what you've stored in Chrome. Before we start, a quick reminder. A CSV is a plain text file, so treat it carefully. Anyone who gets access to it can read your passwords, so only save it somewhere you trust and delete it when you're done. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, look for the three vertical dots. That's Chrome's menu. Click it to open the dropdown, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Control Center, where you can adjust preferences and manage your data. In Settings, find the Autofill section, usually listed on the left side. Click Autofill and then select Password Manager. This is the hub that lists all the website usernames and passwords Chrome has saved for you. On the Password Manager page, look for the section labeled Saved Passwords. To the right of that label, you'll see a small three-dot icon. Click that menu and choose Export Passwords. Chrome will show a notice reminding you that your passwords will be visible to anyone who can open the file. That's normal, and it's there to help you make an informed decision. Confirm that you want to continue. Depending on your device, you might also be asked to authenticate. This could be your computer sign-in or a prompt from your operating system. Just approve it so Chrome can proceed. Next, choose where you want to save the file and give it a name you'll recognize. Make sure it stays as a CSV file. Pick a secure location, such as an encrypted folder or a drive you control, and click Save. Chrome will create the export immediately. After saving, you can import this CSV into another password manager that supports CSV imports or open it in a spreadsheet to review your entries. If you do open it, remember that each line contains readable account details, so avoid leaving it open on shared screens. When you're finished using the file, consider deleting it securely or moving it to encrypted storage. If you don't see Password Manager where you expect it, use the search bar at the top of Chrome's settings and type Password Manager. Also, keeping Chrome up to date can help ensure the layout matches what you see here. And that's all you need to export your passwords from Chrome safely and efficiently.